In 1999, Matt Groening followed up the monumental success of The Simpsons with a show about the future, with influences ranging from sci-fi movies like Blade Runner to shows like The Jetsons and old 1950s comics like Weird Science. He called the show Futurama, a name inspired by the 1939 New York World's Fair, where a pavilion of the same name showcased the latest technological advancements of the time. Set 1,000 years in the future in the city of New York, Futurama ran from 1999 until 2003, when it was canceled, then resurrected 5 years later with 4 straight-to-DVD films. Then, in 2009, it was revived again on Comedy Central, before being canceled again in 2013. And now 10 years later, it's back, including main protagonist Philip J. Fry, or Fry as he's known, the late 20th century pizza delivery boy who, after being cryogenically frozen for 1,000 years, finds himself in the 31st century. Other regulars include Fry's one-eyed alien love interest and eventual wife, Leela, and the ever-popular, immoral, chain-smoking alcoholic robot, Bender, with his catchphrase, "Bite my shiny metal." Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, where I'm drawing some of the Futurama cast, starting this week with Fry, who, by the way, is somehow his own grandfather.